Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy step-to-step process on how to fix Facebook not sending SMS code error. If you're trying to confirm your account via SMS code but the Facebook is not sending you any SMS code to your mobile number, then follow the steps. First, make sure that the mobile number that you provided is correct. If you're still not being able to get the SMS code on your correct mobile number, then the next thing to do is to simply turn on the airplane mode or the flight mode on your Android device. Press the flight mode on and wait for a couple of seconds. Now, simply turn off the flight mode one more time. Now, simply go back to the SMS verification page, tap on Send SMS again and wait for a couple of seconds and see if that fixes your issue. The next thing to do is to go to your settings. Once you give it a tap, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Find Facebook from the list of the apps displayed on the screen. Give it a tap. This will open up your app info page. Tap on Permission. Go ahead and search for a telephone option. Once you give it a tap, tap on the Allow button and allow permission for Facebook to access to your phone. Now you can go back and see if that fixes your issue by going back to the verification page. Tap on Send SMS again and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to receive SMS codes from your Facebook account to your mobile number during recovering your account or simply completing your registration for Facebook. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.